Romantic love is a trick with a purpose. Its dizzying magic sticks around just long enough for us to really bond, and then poof, it's gone, leaving us in a power struggle, each trying to get what we want. Surely you've seen couples mired in painful drama and resentment. Half of us give up and split up. Some stay together, but without real connection, perhaps till the kids are gone and staying becomes unbearable, or until one falls in love with someone else and it starts all over again. But you can beat romantic love's trick and find its purpose, to bring healing. Like I did, you can come to understand why you disagree or fight, and cultivate specific, reliable skills to connect across your differences. Complaint and criticism become things of the past, and together you co-create a haven of safety in our rapidly shifting world. Ready to conquer the trick of romantic love? I can help. I'm Rev. Doc Lisa, Integral Healer, and I'm with you on the journey.